Hi guys, today we are going to be making another giftable item. In this today we're going to make a a stuffed bear. So you can pick up a pattern on my website at isewithjoy.com, and I have the pieces here. So what we're going to do is go ahead and match the pieces. You're just going to need two cutouts of each, or one cutout of each piece, and get your pillow stuffing. I don't recommend buying something expensive. Again, the whole idea is to make giftable items that don't cost you a fortune. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and match it, which tells me where I want to do my opening or for stuffing this. So I'll do that here. I'm sorry, here. So that's already marked. Now the next thing we're going to do, we'll set these aside, is we're going to sew this. Stop here, continue. We're just sewing the bellies for now, and then we'll do the same thing from here. We'll sew this, but for this other part here, we're going to sew the full belly. So let's do this on the sewing machine, and then we'll come back and assemble this, okay? Okay, so I have completed the belly part, and remember I had that opening there, then that's going to be used for stuffing. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up fully. And since the other belly part was fully sewn across, I'm going to open that. Sorry, it should be right sides always. Remember, right sides facing each other. And I'm going to go ahead and use my clips, or you can use pins if that works better for you. And then just sew this all around. You don't need to leave any opening because you've already accounted for that in here on the inside. So just go ahead and sew this. Make sure that you're catching everything and matching all your pieces. Catch the inside between the legs, and then we'll come back and stuff this. Yeah, like I said, make sure you're always catching. Okay, so I have gone ahead and taken off all the loose threads, and now I have the inside, the part where I had initially left an opening. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this inside out. This is a very easy, beginner-friendly project that is great for beginners and also will make a great and thoughtful gift. If, for example, you know someone who misses their loved ones, you can use a clothing item of their loved ones. I know that I have siblings and family who live all over, so it's, if you have the family members that you're very close to and you just want to be able to smell them and feel like you're close to them during the holidays, this will be a good time. Oh, it looks like there's a part I didn't catch there, but I would take care of that. But go ahead and turn this inside out. And I get everything, the hands here. And we're going to stuff this and then go ahead and I'll show you what it looks like.